welcome back to my channel. And for today's video is me like telling y'all like why did I start YouTube, you know, what keeps me motivated for doing YouTube, how does my family think, how does my boyfriend think, so like what my boyfriend think and everything. So this is a different setup. I'm in the car. Hope you don't hear the AC, but it's okay. So first question is, why did you start YouTube? I started YouTube is because, you know, when I was young, like 11, 12, I would watch these girls do a room tour, my makeup bag, birthday hauls, you know, all like, it's all stuff I like to watch. So I was like, wow, it inspired me. I'm like, wow, I would love to be a YouTuber one day. So I was like, it's a dream of mine. I said, one day I would be a YouTuber and be like these girls, like what I enjoy to do. I like watching them, so like one day I want to be like them. And I made a video with my neighbor a long time ago. I have it saved on my camera. So I asked for a camera for Christmas. Sadly, I didn't really film, scared, and it was holding me back. So I have one video saved, and it was me and my neighbor, and she was doing makeup on me, like my makeup, to show how young I liked makeup. So she did my makeup and all that. I saw the videos, and that's the last video I did, but I never posted or anything. It was just on my camera. And fast forward these years, I was thinking about like, should I do YouTube? Should I not? Friends were telling me to do it. I was really intrigued because I always want to do it. I always push myself back. I always tell myself back, no, don't do it. But I decided to do it last year. One day, I'll be a YouTuber. And I always dreamed to be a YouTuber because it's like my thing, because, you know, I wasn't really into sports. I did volleyball and other stuff. But like, to me, I wasn't really like interested in it. It was just a thing like, oh, I'll just do this. It was nothing like, oh, like, this is my dream. This is what I like to do. This is what I wanted to do. So I was like, I did other activities, but this was the main thing that, like, in my heart, that I knew I always loved to do, or always wanted to do, and I did it. Next question. Was it hard to start or not? I'll be honest, it wasn't easy and it wasn't hard. But, you know, starting off, I didn't know anyone in YouTube that does YouTube or anything, so it was hard for me. I had to be watching videos after videos, learning how to make a thumbnail, learning how to edit a video, because I didn't know nothing at all. So it was hard for me. But as I continued to learn and watch videos, little by little got it, and learning like some tips and tricks for my channel. As I started learning, like, it started getting easier. It's like a hit or miss. Like, if you know people, it's easier for you, just get the easy way out because you can get help. While others like me, I had to learn like this whole new YouTube world, how to like do all kinds of stuff. And I'm like so glad that people made videos, because I wouldn't even know what to do. I'll be so lost, and I am glad for people who make videos how to do stuff like that, because that's what helped me start my channel. Did the light just change? Oh my god. So yeah, that's what I don't know if it's just me or not. So next question. Have people made fun of you or not? No one has not made fun of me yet. Not that I know of. No one has not. I just been more positive about it. Encouraged me to start a YouTube channel. I have not got any like ugly feedback. But I mean, negativity doesn't bother me. I'm gonna not let it get to me. And I don't care what people say, because this is my dream. This is what I wanted to do. I think it's too loud. This is my dream. This is what I want to do. And it makes me happy. And I'm going to do whatever it makes me happy, because this is my dream. This is what dreams are made of. Question. Do you see a future in YouTube? Yes, I see a future in YouTube. I can feel it. Next question. Are you fully committed? without no doubt, I am always coming into YouTube to do it because I want to do it. Even though, you know, I don't make money yet or I don't have all these subscribers, it doesn't matter to me, honestly. I just like to post videos to see their day just by posting a video, or like helping them out by tips and tricks, or asking them or telling them like where they got this. Just by helping wise makes me better, because you knowing I'm helping others in certain videos I do. So yes. What do you like about YouTube / hate? Is this me or the lighting is so bad? I'm so sorry guys if this lighting is so bad, but I love to see what people do what I like to do. I love to see people smile. I like to see them vlogging. I like to see them doing get ready. I just love seeing support from one another, even from subscribers, from the comments, you know, people just replying back, just being so generous about it. It just makes me happy to see like you can connect as a big family, and you can just meet new friends. You can talk from all across around the world. You can make friends in the comments, honestly. I'm using my dad's phone right now because I took screenshots from my phone because I didn't bring my camera, so, and I haven't filmed this yet. So what do I hate about it? I hate about YouTube is just like, why is there negativity? Like, I don't understand. I don't like, that's like what I don't like about it. Just people just being negative toward each other. I mean, we're all human. We're all a family. We come together. We support one another. That's like the only thing I hate about YouTube. It's just why negativity. How I stay motivated is by me. My heart always tells me to keep pushing no matter what, and that's what I go by. Next question: how does your boyfriend feel about you making YouTube? I'm sure he's very proud of me. He encouraged me. He loves me doing YouTube, and he also has a YouTube channel, and he's also starting. So I'll link his channel down below. And he's very proud of me. He's always encouraging me to do whatever it takes. He's proud of me doing what I do. So, you know, we always gotta find a boyfriend that encourages you to do what you love to do. So yeah. Next question: how does your parents feel about you doing YouTube? There's nothing wrong with me doing YouTube. They don't say anything about it. So really nothing. I mean, they're chill with it, I guess. My dad's watching my videos. My mom's been in some videos. And I might make a vlog with my dad of setting up. Freaking birds scare me on top of the roof. That's pretty much all I have today. There's this weird boy next to me. He doesn't know what I'm doing. I mean, I don't care. And soon I'll have car videos, maybe first time driving with me around my street, because I don't have a license yet, but I know how to drive. Just, I don't have my license yet, but that's okay. This week I'm going to have my wisdom teeth pulled out, and I'm very scared. I don't like to be drugged up. I've never been drugged. I've never been like knocked out before, and I'm pretty scared. It's making me nervous. Pray for me, guys. But yeah, let's listen to some of my jams. This is my jam, guys. I love Post Malone. I wish you can see this video right here, this part. Like, this is me and my mama's jam right here. Too much. It's like fire. Some flower. I don't want to get copyrighted. But guys, yes, we just got in our feels real quick. I want to say thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your bell. Don't forget to turn on your bell notification to be notified every time I post a new video. I don't even know if I'm gonna post next week because I'm gonna be in pain and sore, so I don't know how I'll look to see if I can even film a video. But I'll see and I'll try. If not, the next week I'll post like 4 videos to remake up for this week coming up. Guys, thank y'all guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.